Hello children, I welcome you all once again in today's EVS class. Children, I hope you all are taking good care of yourselves, right? You must be taking good care, using sanitizers, right? Wearing masks. Yes, it is important children. Don't forget to follow the good habits, okay? Keep on washing your hands regularly. So children, in our previous video, we had studied about My Country chapter. Today, we are going to start with our new lesson, that is chapter number 1, Families Work Together. Come on, let's start. So children, as I said, we will start with our lesson, that is chapter number 1, Families Work Together. Before starting our chapter, let us quickly do one activity. What is the activity? You have to count how many family members are there in your family. Now quickly get up, go into all the rooms and check how many family members are there in your family. Come on, go. I'm giving you 2 minutes time. Yes? Now you all know about your family members. So now, next what you have to do, you have to take a page, draw 2 columns in that. In the first column, you will write the name of your family member and then write your relation with them. For example, I'll show you. In one column, I will write the name of my family member, like is Rohansh, and relation to me is he is my son. So like that, you have to write your mother's name in first column, and then in second column you will write she is your mother. Okay, you have to write your relation, that is mother. So it is very easy activity, and quickly this activity will get finished in 2 minutes only. So you have to complete this activity and send the photo to me. Okay, and I hope you all will enjoy this activity. You have to write the name of all of your family members. Okay, and then you have to write the relation in the next column, the relation with you. Okay, now let us move further. When we talk about family, there are family members which come into our mind. Our mother, father, grandfather, grandmother, brother, sister, etc. Right? And when we think about our family members, we think about how they help us. They help us in different ways, right? They take care of us. They help us in many ways. They do our things, right? So let us discuss about each and every family members of our family. Okay? Now, can you see the picture? Who is she? She is looking like the grandmother, right? You all have your grandmothers. So children, what is the role of the grandmother? My grandmother helps me in my homework. Maybe your grandmother helps you in your homework sometimes. Take care. She takes care of you. Tells me interesting stories. She tell you interesting stories. Like you all maybe we all have our grandmothers. Okay. So grandmother tell us stories. She take care of us. Right? Sometimes some of our grandmothers are very smart. They help us in homework also. Right? So grandmother plays a very important role in our life. Can you see the picture next? Yes, he is our grandfather. Now, what is the role of our grandfather? My grandfather play with me, right? Your grandfather also play with you, and he takes me to the park and buys sweets for me. And sometimes what happens, children? He buys sweets for you, he buys different gifts for you, and sometimes he takes you to the park, right? So we should, children, spend time with our grandparents. They are very, they are very nice to us. They help us a lot. And I know you all are very good children and you spend time with your grandparents. Okay? Today, what is your activity? You spend time with your family members, okay? And so that they will feel very happy. Let's move on to the next family member is our mother, right? Our mother plays a very important role in our life. Because of our mother, we had come into this world. She do so many things for us. She is very hardworking and help us a lot. Like she cooks very delicious food for us. She sometimes give you bath, take care of you and your brother, sister, right? Take care of all your things, your school bag, your tiffin bag, everything she take cares. She also helps in your homework, right? She helps you in your studies. See, so many things your mother do. Now, what you will do? You will say thank you to your mother for doing all these things for you. Okay? What you will do? You will say thank you to your mother for helping you a lot. Now, next is your father. Yes? What is the role of your father? Your father earn money. My father earn money for us. Right? Your father earn money for your family. He goes to office. And some of us mothers are also earning. Your mothers are also going to office, right? So, your father earn money for your family. He plays with me. Yes, your father plays with you. He takes you to different places and bring gifts for me. Your father also plays a very important role in your life, children. He always, takes you to the different places, buy gifts for you, bring different things for you. He plays with you, right? And he sometimes helps you in your homework also, right? So, children, and our father is also very hardworking. Your father is hardworking, na? He goes to office, do so much of hard work. Your mama also sometimes, in some families, mother also going to office and earning money, right? What are they doing? Both of our parents, they are doing lots of hard work so that we can study. So what is our role? We should help them. We should talk to them. And now what you will do? You should say thank you to them. Okay? Come on. Go and say thank you to your parents. Okay? Now, what is the, let us see. Now we have understood family can be of two types. First is the big family and second is small family. Okay, there are two kinds of family which we are going to discuss in this video. Big family and small family. Small family. Okay, in the small family, we can have mother, father and two kids. This is a small family. Maybe sometimes grandparents. Now, in a very small family, sometimes only one girl is there no brother is there, only you are there, right? Or we can have brothers, two brothers in one family, two sisters in one family, so small family. Okay, now when we talk about big family, in a big family we will have grandparents, okay, we will have aunts, uncles, we can say chacha, chachi, yes, mama, mami, right? We have our bade papa, we say, right? Our fathers, brothers, right? So we have so many people in the big family. Okay, so now you have to decide whether you are having a big family or a small family. Okay, you check and decide. Your aunt's children are there. What are they called? They are called cousins. They are your cousins. So you have your cousins in your family, your grandparents, aunts, uncles. So that is a big family. Now you have to decide whether your family is big or small. Now this is a family tree which I want to show you. You can make your own family tree also. Like you have grandfather, grandmother, then your parents, and your parents you have how many? First you have to make yourself, then your sister or brother, and maybe you have uncle and aunts and their children. So like this you have to prepare a small family tree. Okay, now you can see this is again a very small family tree. Okay, we have two types of our grandparents: maternal grandparents and paternal grandparents. Means your mother, your parents, mother and father of your parents, like your mother, okay, your mother's mother, your nani, okay, nani, nana and dadi, dada, right? So we have two kinds of grandparents: maternal grandparents, which parents of your mother, and they are called as maternal grandparents, and paternal grandparents, parents of your father. Understood? So this they can also be included in your family tree. Now children, you don't choose your family. They are God's gift to you, as you are to them. See children, God has given us such a blessing that we have a beautiful family. They are the blessings to us. We should spend time with them and say thank you for everything. Right? Now, children, we all know the family is the most important in our life. It is the most beautiful gift that we have. So, we must love it and care it. Okay? We must always love it and care it. Care for our family. Now, next thing, we should take care of our family members and learn good things from everyone in our family. See, our grandparents teaches us good manners. Our mother teaches us good manners. But sometimes what happens? We don't listen to our parents. We don't listen to our grandparents. Right? They tell don't do wrong things. But still we are doing it. So, but we should not do like that. And I know all of my children are excellent children, right? So they all are following the instructions given by our elders. So we should respect everyone in our family and learn good things from them. We should always respect our family members. I know you all do it, right? Now, there is another activity for you all. Write some benefits of living in a small family and or large family? What are the benefits of living in a small family? Suppose you have a small family, so what are the benefits, what are the advantages you are getting in a small family? And then in the next page you will write, if you have a big family, then what are the advantages of the big family? What are the benefits we are getting from them? So this is the second activity which you all will do, and we will discuss about this activity in our live class. Okay? Now, there is a small video, a small song of family for you all. Come on, enjoy this song. Okay?
Hi there, little fellows. We all love our family. Today, let's sing a song about family. Here it goes. I have a family of 6. Grandpa, Grandma, Papa, Mama, and a little sis. Grandpa takes me for a walk. Grandma feeds me ladoos. They play with me, they both love me, and I love them too. Papa goes to office. Mama cooks yummy food. They take me out, we sing out loud, and they love me too. Yes, they love me too. Do you want to sing it one more time? Okay. I have a family of 6. Grandpa, Grandma, Papa, Mama, and a little sis. Grandpa takes me for a walk. Grandma feeds me ladoos. They play with me, they both love me, and I love them too. Papa goes to office. Mama cooks yummy food. They take me out, we sing out loud, and they love me too. Yes, they love me too. Yes, they love me too. Yes, they love me too.
So children, you all like this song, right? So children, you can enjoy this song and sing also. So children, today you will complete your activities and send the photos to me. And don't forget to say thank you to your family members. Okay? So in our next class, we will discuss about different types of families. So see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care.